The Tibetan Festival, Universal Prayer Day or Samling Chisang, is the Tibetan Buddhist festival celebrated on the 15th day of the 5th month in Tibetan lunar calendar. Tibetans across the globe commemorate Guru Rinpoche's banquets of local demons, as well as the successful completion of the first Tibetan monastery, the Samye Monastery. During the 30th king of Yalung dynasty, the emperor of Tibet, named Tusung Deusen, was disturbed by evil mountain deities. In order to extinguish them, he invited Buddhist Guru Padmasambhava, also known as Guru Rinpoche, to Tibet. It is said Guru Rinpoche used his tantric power to subdue the evil deities and eventually turned them into the protectors of Tibet. Guru Rinpoche had then built the Samye Monastery, the first Tibetan monastery. During the opening ceremony of Samye Monastery, Guru Rinpoche even composed a sangso or smoke ceremonial text for the local deities as a gift for their oath to protect Buddha Dharma in Tibet. Thus the Universal Prayer Day came into its existence. In Tibet, this auspicious and traditional Buddhist festival is celebrated with prayer for the world peace, extensive offerings, especially incense ceremony made to local deities and earth spirits. Tibetan people often go to tops of the local mountains to burn incense and to hang up prayer flags. Therefore, it is also called the whole incense festival.